Jesus is King. This is Timothy Flanders, editor of 1Peter5. The angel at Fatima taught the children reparation, specifically Eucharistic reparation. This is the first and foundational message of Fatima in the hearts of all the faithful. Eucharistic reparation. And that is what we promote at 1Peter5. The crusade of Eucharistic reparation. This is the crusade of our times. This is the crusade in the deep hearts of all the faithful that we need to overcome the evils destroying our liturgy, destroying the faith of little children, destroying the dogma of the real presence of Christ in the Eucharist. Eucharistic reparation. Join the crusade for Eucharistic reparation. See the link for more.